So small conditions, and simply I am saying to the types of vectors. First, zero vector, unit, negative, zero vector, unit vector, negative vector. And small in real life applications, small real life applications in zero vector, unit vector, negative vector. And zero vector means when train are not moved. Suppose train has been repaired. That is a zero vector. Train are not moving. Train are same position. No initial point, no terminal point. Both are same points. Initial and terminal point are same because of train are not moving. Magnitude equal to 0. Unit vector means train are moving, okay, but speed 1 kilometer per hour. Means unit means 1. Unit means 1. Unit means 1 means 1 kilometer per hour, unit vector. And negative vector, small condition. And suppose Secunderabad to Bengaluru, Bengaluru to Secunderabad, Secunderabad to Bengaluru, and Bengaluru to Secunderabad. Distance are same distance. Secunderabad to Bengaluru and Bengaluru to Secunderabad. Distance are same. Secunderabad to Bengaluru, suppose 100 kilometers, and at the same time Bengaluru to Secunderabad distance same 100 kilometers. But directions are same. Directions are different. That one are reality. Secunderabad to Bengaluru 100 kilometers. Bengaluru to Secunderabad be 100 kilometers, no problem. But directions are same? No. That directions are different. Is called negative vector. Magnitude are same, no problem. But direction A, one direction, A, different direction. Two are opposite direction. But magnitude are same magnitude. Is called negative vector. Unit vector means you know that one. Unit means 1 kilometer. Zero vector, no initial point to terminal point both are same. Initial point to terminal point both are same is called zero vector. And okay. And this is the types of vectors. And this is the types of vectors.